say it ain't so. So you came back? Oh, you coming to see me? Let me show y'all how to make this mohawk real quick. Stay tuned.
Hello, hello, hey, hello, 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 hey, hello, 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 hello. I woke up in the morning feeling fresh to death. I'm so blessed. Yes, yes. Woke up in the morning feeling fresh to death.
Alright, so again, welcome back. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up this retwist real quick. It's very, very hard for me to like sit, retwist your hair. No, first wash your hair, retwist your hair, then style your hair all in one try. But I did it. I did it, girl. I did it. So we almost at the top. I just want to show y'all just a little snippet of me, doing it my regular way. There's no special way to do it. Some people have their own way. Some people, go a certain way. I don't go no way. This time I was just making sure I was splitting it all in half so I could make it balance out on both sides. So we finished that part. Now we're taking out the clips. I had them sat under the dryer for a minute. Usually I'll stay under there about 30, 45, depending on how wet my hair really is. But now I'm just sectioning off, where I want the twist to go. So I'm gonna do barrows on the sides and then petals in the middle. Okay, so now we about to start twisting. Make sure you don't unravel like I was doing. You're gonna see me do that on several occasions, but couldn't really see that good. Anyway, so you're gonna need multiple mirrors. Right now, I'm just using one because I can feel as I go. But if you are beginning and a beginner, you might want to use more than one mirror, one in the front, one in the back, like I was doing with my retwist. And you'll be able to see better which way you're going, how you twisting, which way you're gonna twist, to the left, to the right, and how it goes upward, because you really want it to go upward into the mohawk rather than just going straight back and looking silly. You hear me? So I had to switch that thing on up because I didn't want y'all to be watching the same thing over and over and over. All in my head, I think about it over and over again. No, I'm just playing. But for real, just keep twisting. You can go upward or downward the way you want. Don't miss no twist. Don't miss your locks, because when you finish and you see one, you're gonna be bit mad. Like bit mad. So make sure you grab each and every one of them. Check, if you need more than one mirror, look, check, see. Because as you can see right there, I missed one. Boom, right there, flipped over. Made me mad. So hot, so mad. I just kept going though. It's okay. Alright, to the fun part. Ayy, to the fun part. Ayy, make it cute part. Ayy. Nah, but for real. So, these are the petals. Very, very easy. You see? Fold it twice. If your hair is long like mine, take a rubber band. Bloop, bloop. Bloop, bloop. Bam. Done. Now, you're going to take one or two, however many you prefer. Fold twice. However you want to fold it. You see, I was struggling. Anyway, rubber band, bloop, 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 bloop. Done. It's set. It is really, 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 really easy. See, my hair was longer than what I thought it was because I ain't had a retwist since like April or May. Girl, sis, brother, we in quarantine. What we need to twist our hair for? Leave it be. Just leave it. So right here, I just want to show y'all how long my hair was. I folded it in half in the back so it can have that little fall over part. I don't know how to explain it. Anyways, so I folded it in half so it can fold a little bit better. But otherwise, in the front, since I want my bangs. My bangs. No, I'm just playing. I wanted my bangs in the front to be real short or whatever. So I folded it in half twice. And boom. Hello. Fix your bangs. Your bangs. So just take some bobby pins, long or short, and style it how you want to. And that's pretty much it, y'all. I loved it. When I tell you it was out my way, it was out the way. And yeah, anybody else be having that bang song in their head when they see somebody with a bang? Or either a Barbara when they see a girl with a bob? It's just me, or I'm just silly. But thank you for watching, everybody. I'll see y'all another time. Subscribe! For real. Ooh, oh wait. 360 view. Yes, girl. See you, girl. Oh, makeup. Period. Make sure y'all subscribe. Yet again, subscribe. Follow me on Facebook. Follow me on Instagram. And subscribe. Period.